Working with you has changed my life, Sarah. Honestly, it's the best investment I've ever done. I knew and know so much about wellness, but putting it into action is a very different kettle of fish. And whatever it is, stage of life, a whole smorgasbord of different things was really holding me back. And working with you brought everything to work again. I'm so happy that we have worked together. I'm so grateful for your knowledge. You helped me both on a nutritional point of view, the minerals, the gut health, but also for me, the most important part, the mad woman in the attic, my patterns and things that have been holding me back that I didn't realize. And I am just forever grateful to you, Sarah. I think the main thing has just been acknowledging that there was habits holding me back. That is definitely the best thing about working with you. I had not seen patterns that now I see them really clearly that I've gone through over the years, and that has just been revelatory for me. And I honestly feel like working with you I haven't done all the stuff you told me to do, but I am doing it gradually. And I love what you said on one of our sessions, was it's not, it's not there's a continual destination to good health. It's the trajectory you're on. And I feel that working with you has put me on a different trajectory. I see the bigger picture, and I'm so much kinder to myself.